Hello friends, today we will discuss the estimation of the hemoglobin physiology practicals. So let's see the toolbox first. HB comparator, hemoglobin tube, hemoglobin pipette, glass rod, N/10 SCl, distilled water, lancet, cotton and spirit for the pricking. The principle, the blood is added with the SCl. So is from the acid hematine complex. This acid hematine complex gives the golden brown color that is matched with the standard color plate. So based on that you can get the result. Now there are 5 steps. First we will take the 0.1 normal SCl in the HB tube. Then we prick the finger and take the blood up to the 20 microliter in the HB pipette. Now this blood is added with the SCl and then it is a place for the 8 to 10 minutes, and after the 10 minutes wait, you have to add the distilled water drop by drop so the color is matched with the standard color plate. Let's see the apparatus. So this is the HB comparator. So by this HB comparator there are two standard color plate is given. In between there is a hole. In hole we have to insert the HB tube for the color comparison. Now HB tube having the two marking, one on the yellow and second is a red. Yellow shows the gram per deciliter and the red is in the percentage. Most of the time we will take the gram per deciliter for the reading purpose. HB pipette, that is up to the 20 microliter, mark is already there on HB tube. Stirrer for the mixing purpose. Now the first step in the HB estimation, that you have to take the 0.1 normal SCl up to the lowest mark of the gram percentage in the HB tube, that is a 2 gram per deciliter. Then you have to prick the finger with all antiseptic precautions. You can use the spirit swab or disposable alcohol swab. .1 normal SCl up to the lowest mark of the gram percentage, that is yellow marking. Keep it there. After that you have to sterilize your fingertip with the disposable swab or spirit swab. Prick the finger with the needle. Form the proper drop. The pricking should be on the off center. This prevent the infection and pain. And take the blood up to the mark, that is 20 microliter. So total blood is taken by the HB pipette is a 20 microliter for this experiment. Now this blood is added with the SCl which is already there in the HB tube. Now the blood is react with the SCl and from the acid hematine complex is give the strong golden brown color. Now you to the color is in the HB tube is stronger than the standard color plate in the HB comparator. So now you have to take add the distilled water drop by drop till the color is matched. After adding the blood you have to wait at least for the 8 to 10 minutes. So all the acid hematine complex is formed almost 90 to 99%, and then you have to add the drop distilled water drop by drop, and you can take the final result, that is the color match. Your biodata, then hemoglobin content is a gram per deciliter. You can write the given hemoglobin content is a normal, increase or decrease. The first question that can be asked in the Viva examination in the practical, that is why salicylic acid is acid hematine method is commonly used. because there are several advantages, because simple, fairly quick method, accurate, it does not require any costly apparatus, and there is running cost is also minimum, and therefore the salicylic acid is a commonly used method. Can tap water be used for the diluting and the color matching? No, because it cannot be used, because the salt content may cause the turbidity which interfere with the standard color. Can we use the N/10 HCl for the dilution and for the color matching? Yes, you can use, but the HCl is a costlier than the distilled water, so generally we use the distilled water instead of the HCl. The last question, why is it necessary to wait the 6 to 8 minutes after adding the blood to the HCl? Because blood is react with the HCl and form the acid hematine complex, and that acid hematine complex conversion take the 10 minutes at least. So all the acid hematine complex is formed, and that's why at least we have to wait 6 to 8 minutes. We are thankful to the Pranav and the Dhruvil for the contribution. So this is all about the today's practical, that is on the HB estimations. Thank you.